Hey everyone, are you feeling stuck, staring at that blank page, wondering how to write a cover letter that actually stands out? You know, the kind that makes you feel confident hitting that submit button? We've all been there. It can be super intimidating trying to squeeze your whole life story and all those amazing accomplishments into a single page. But trust me, a killer cover letter can be your secret weapon in the job hunt. It's your chance to show your personality, your passion, and why you're the perfect fit for the job. Think of it as your first impression, a way to connect with the hiring team before you even step foot in the interview room. So, whether you're fresh out of school or looking for a career change, this video is for you. We're going to break down the art of crafting the perfect cover letter step by step with all the tips and tricks you need to make yours shine. Let's do this. Okay, so you might be thinking, does anyone even read cover letters anymore? The answer is yes. A well-crafted cover letter is your chance to stand out from the crowd and make a real connection with the hiring manager. It's your opportunity to tell your story, your way. Your resume is great for listing your skills and experience, but your cover letter is where you can really bring those experiences to life. Think about it. Would you rather read a dry list of facts or a compelling story that draws you in? Exactly. Your cover letter is your chance to tell your story, to show your personality, and to explain why you're genuinely excited about this specific job and this specific company. It's your chance to show that you're not just applying to every job under the sun. You're genuinely invested in this opportunity. And here's the thing, a cover letter shows you're willing to go the extra mile. In a world of generic applications, taking the time to write a thoughtful cover letter shows you're truly interested and that you care about making a good impression. That speaks volumes about your work ethic. So, before you even think about hitting copy and paste from another cover letter, remember this: you are unique, your experiences are valuable, and your voice deserves to be heard. A cover letter gives you the platform to do just that. Alright, before you even start writing, we have to talk about research. This is where you become a detective. Just like you wouldn't walk into a first date without knowing a single thing about the person, you don't want to go into a job application without understanding the company and the role you're applying for. First things first, head over to the company's website. Spend some time getting to know them. What's their mission? What are their values? What's their company culture like? You want to understand what they're all about and see if you vibe with their style. Next, print out that job description and really dissect it. Highlight the key skills and qualifications they're looking for. This is your treasure map. You want to make sure your cover letter directly addresses these points and shows how your experiences align with their needs. And here's a pro tip. See if you can find any connections on LinkedIn who work at the company. This is your chance to get some insider info and maybe even reach out for a quick chat. Remember, knowledge is power. Okay, now that you've done your research, it's time to start writing. And let me tell you, the opening paragraph is everything. This is your chance to grab the hiring manager's attention and make them want to keep reading. First impressions matter, right? So ditch the generic greetings and try to address the hiring manager by name. A little personalization goes a long way. You can usually find their name on LinkedIn or the company website. Next, clearly state the position you're applying for and how you found out about it. This might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people forget this crucial step. And most importantly, let your enthusiasm shine through. Express your genuine excitement for the role and the company. Why are you drawn to this specific opportunity? What gets you fired up about their work? Now it's time to sell yourself. This is where you connect the dots between your skills and experiences and what the employer is looking for. Remember that job description you dissected earlier? This is your time to shine. Go through each requirement and think about how your past experiences demonstrate those skills. Don't just list your responsibilities from previous jobs. Show how you made a difference. Did you lead a team? Did you exceed your sales goals? Did you come up with an innovative solution to a problem? And here's the key: use specific examples to illustrate your accomplishments. Numbers are your best friend. Instead of saying, "I'm a great communicator," try something like, "I led a team of 5 to successfully launch a new product, resulting in a 15% increase in sales." See the difference? Don't be afraid to brag a little. This is not the time to be modest. You've worked hard, and you deserve to showcase your accomplishments. Okay, this is where you take it to the next level. Remember all that research you did on the company's mission, values, and culture? This is where it pays off. Employers can spot a generic cover letter a mile away. They want to see that you've taken the time to get to know them and that you're genuinely invested in their work. Find something specific about the company that resonates with you and explain why. Is it their commitment to innovation? Their dedication to social responsibility? Their focus on employee growth? Whatever it is, let them know why it matters to you. Think about it. If you were hiring someone, wouldn't you be more excited about someone who's genuinely passionate about your company's mission, rather than someone who just wants a job? Exactly. You're almost there. The closing paragraph is your last chance to make a lasting impression. Keep it brief, but powerful. Start by summarizing why you're a great fit for the role and the company. Think of this as your elevator pitch. Next, express your gratitude for their time and consideration. A simple thank you for your time and consideration goes a long way. And finally, end with a call to action. Let them know you're eager to discuss your qualifications further and welcome the opportunity to interview. Okay, before you hit that send button, let's go over a few bonus tips to make sure your cover letter is polished and professional. First and foremost, proofread, proofread, proofread. Seriously, I can't stress this enough. Typos and grammatical errors are a surefire way to get your application tossed in the no pile. Have a friend or mentor read it over with fresh eyes. Keep it concise and to the point, Aim for 1 page or less. Hiring managers are busy people, and they don't have time to read a novel. Get to the point and make every word count. Use a professional format. Choose a clean and easy-to-read font, like Arial or Times New Roman. Use proper spacing and margins. And remember, this is a formal document, so keep the tone professional. Tailor your cover letter to each job you apply for. I know it's tempting to use a generic template, but trust me, it makes a world of difference when you take the time to customize your cover letter to each specific job. And finally, save your cover letter as a PDF to ensure your formatting stays intact. And there you have it. You've officially crafted a killer cover letter that's going to make you stand out from the competition. Remember, your cover letter is your chance to make a personal connection. Showcase your personality and show your passion. Don't be afraid to let your true self shine through. Be proud of yourself for taking this step towards your dream career. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. And make sure to subscribe to Empower Africa Academy for more professional development content.